History will be made, a star will be born, right here on the Show and Tell Talent Hunt.
All right, here we go again. Ladies and gentlemen, stars all over the world, we just want to say welcome to Show and Tell Talent Hunt. You know what we are here to do. We're here to find that wonderful talent across the continent, Africa. That individual that have everything it takes to be a superstar. So today, we are going to switch gear. Our judges are going to judge someone based on a different talent from what you have been seeing all along. So just sit tight, grab your coffee or popcorn or whatever you have. Let's bring the judges to the stage, and then I will also introduce the talent that is coming today to showcase. So, ladies and gentlemen, everyone, join me to welcome Stel, one of our wonderful judges, all the way from Kenya. Stel, welcome to Show and Tell Talent Hunt.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And from Nigeria, we have Mr. Orlando. Orlando is one wonderful personality, a producer, someone that discovers and knows talent when he sees one. Orlando, welcome to Show and Tell Talent.
Thank you very much.
Okay, the judges, I'm going to bring someone to the stage who is ready to rock and roll today. All right, now we have another judge that's going to join us soon, Mr. Charles. When he joins, I will introduce him. So I'm bringing to the stage Chef Casie is what I see here. The name I have is Cassandra.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chef Casie, and I'm a seafood chef. First of all, I want to appreciate everyone for giving me the opportunity to perform in this audition. So today, without wasting most of your time, I'll be making that butter garlic shrimps today. So I would like to start. So first of all, I would like to go in with my butter. It's a garlic shrimp, so you don't really need too much butter for this. So I'll also add in a little bit of vegetable oil. Once that is done, I already have my chopped garlic and chopped onions. So I'm going with my chopped vegetables. And I'm going to saute this for a bit. So while I cook, I also want to let the audience know that I'm a private chef and I'm also a food vendor. So, as you can see, it's ready. So now I'll be going with my shrimps. And yes, this is already washed and deveined. Right now, I'll be going in with my white pepper, a little bit of white pepper, then I'll be adding in some chili pepper for a little bit. Please bring the camera closer. So while this is cooking, I'll be adding in my seasoning cubes. So this here is the seasoning cube, and this is also my meat spices. So the meat spices is just to add a little bit of color to the shrimps. As you can see, it's white, but once it doesn't take time to cook actually. So as you can see, the green spice already added a little bit of color to the shrimps. And yeah, this is actually very tasty. As you can see from the video, you can tell how good this thing will taste. So now we're adding a little bit of fish seasoning. I'll saute this for a bit. Then I'll go in with my lemon. This is actually a lemon juice. So basically, why I'm wearing the gloves is because as a chef, if you want to cook like for public food, it's advised for kitchen safety, it's advised to use your gloves, you know, because you're not the one eating, consuming the food. But it's food that you're cooking in your house, maybe for your personal use, you can always use your hands. This garlic actually, this lemon juice actually gives it a little bit of sour taste, but it's actually very delicious. So what you can see that the shrimps now is almost done, it's almost properly cooked. So I would like to have a taste of this. Yeah, and it's absolutely amazing. So the shrimp is almost cooked now. So I'll be going in with my parsley. This is my chopped parsley. So I'll be going in with the chopped parsley. Actually, in all those big restaurants, if you go there, a plate of this meal is actually sold for probably 8,000 or 10,000, depends on how equipped the place is. And yes, I also want the audience to know that you can always reach me out on my Instagram handles. The name is Casie Seafood. And for my other business page, which is Casie Interior, because I'm also an interior designer, aside being a chef. So now this is properly cooked. So now I'll be plating this here. I would like to plate my prawns here. Shrimps and meal. And I'll be adding some lemon close to it. And yes, this is it. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I really appreciate it.
All right, wow, that's a beautiful one. Thank you, Chef Casie, for this walking us through. I can smell the food even though I'm not seeing it, you know. So I hope that our audience are thrilled and carried along, but who am I to say? Let's hear from the judges, and I wish you all the best. Start from Stell. Stell, what do you think about Chef Casie's performance or demonstration, I should say?
Yeah, I think it's so wonderful. The presentation is so attractive. and appetizing. Yeah, she can make you feel like you want to eat, at the moment. Yeah, but I appreciate the fact that how she started off. She started off by cooking in her own home and delivering to people. She doesn't have. She mentioned she doesn't have a restaurant, but she cooks from home and delivers to people. So I think that's an amazing talent that deserves, um, showcasing. So we appreciate you, Cassandra. We encourage you to keep on in that and keep moving to the global world. Thank you for the
Awesome.
presentation.
Thank you, Stel. And one day we're gonna stop by and eat this food, real
Yes,
life food.
certainly.
Mr. Orlando, what do you have to say about Chef Casie's performance, our cooking
wow.
today?
Chef Casie, your food looks very sumptuous. As I'm looking at it, I want to eat it. Like it looks, you serve it very well. I like the way you serve the food. I like the process. The process you follow as we are cooking is amazing. It's beautiful. Hopefully one day I'd like to have a taste of what you cooked. So thank you for coming. You are prepared for this. You have all your gears, your chef gears. You had them on and all that. Thank you for coming. Okay, so I wish you the best. Yeah, bye.
Awesome. Charles, what about you? Did you enjoy the food without eating it?
I could sense the aroma through my Wi-Fi, through my internet system. So Chef Casie, beyond cooking, just watching you do what you do, how you put your ingredients together is such an amazing show to behold. And we really thank you for bringing this special skill set here. It looks delightful from what you have done, and the presentation looks amazing. We look forward to seeing you at the top. Thank you for bringing this performance here. We appreciate you so much. Thank you.
All right, you've heard it from the judges today, and we only hope for the best. Chef Casie, we wish you every best, and we hope that our audience, our stars, are also going to tell us if they enjoy what they watch today and make their comments on all our handles. Thank you, everyone. We are going to move to the next performance for today. Thank you for being here, and let's keep going.
The game is on.